clouds are clogging up my brain like the weather drains, same as the tears on my face. And I'm stuck up in the storm. I guess I'll be alright. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh, oh, oh, uh-oh. Then it hits me like, oh, uh-oh, uh-oh, oh no, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. And you're that wind that swept me off my feet, got me flying till I'm crying and I'm down on my knees. That's what Dorothy was afraid of, the sneaky tornado. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh, oh, uh-oh. There's no place like home. Uh-oh, uh-oh.